Well, I served as Alabama Secretary of Commerce prior to joining Burr Forman. And during that time, I had the opportunity to really see firsthand what happens when people come together. Burr Forman has a long history, and it dates back to the early 1900s. In fact, it dates back to the founding partner, Walker Percy, who worked with and represented Tennessee Coal and Iron, which was the predecessor to what we know as today's United States Steel. And he represented that company in an antitrust case. So today, we represent 40 of Alabama's largest manufacturers.
We've been able to develop a deep understanding of our manufacturing clients' problems, issues, and I think it's rare that an issue would come up, a legal issue for a manufacturing client, where we did not have someone here who was able to jump on it and had some prior experience and involvement with that particular problem.
We're representing those companies on everything from incentive negotiations to project agreements and contracts to labor and employment issues to matters even involving immigration.
Most of our larger manufacturing clients, we have a team of lawyers that work with them regularly and communicate with each other regularly about changes in the industry and making sure the client is aware of things that they might be interested in. We have about 370 attorneys right now in 8 states. We focus on making sure our clients hear from a diverse background of attorneys, and think the more diverse that we are, the better we are able to serve our clients.
Burr Forman has 170 projects representing about $30 billion of new investment that has poured in, representing what's more important, the creation of about 38,000 jobs. And when we look at Burr Forman's footprint in the other southeastern states, you can multiply the impact. It's just an incredible impact.
Sort of our 3 principles are client, colleague, and community, and we think that's part of our duty as being community citizens, and we think it makes us better people and better lawyers.
It means a lot to us to be recognized as Supplier of the Year by AAMA. It's a recognition to us of our focus on our clients, of the service that we're providing, our focus on helping grow the economy and industry across the state of Alabama, indeed across the southeast U.S.